So here I'm gonna show you how you can resize photos on the iPhone. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. It depends on how you want to resize them. Like if you want to crop the footage, the photos or videos, you can always go to the gallery and you can see I can grab the photo like this, click on edit and click on crop, and then I can resize it in a sense that I'm gonna like make it smaller like that, or I don't know, even zoom it in, right? So if you mean this, it's a freely available part of the built-in Photos app, but a lot of people want to basically just resize the pixel size. So if I swipe up on an image, you can see that this one is 1000 by 1000 pixels and it's 71 kilobytes. So if I want to resize it in a sense that I'm going to choose a different or a very specific aspect ratio, then I can use an app, which I'm going to link below into the description. This is what it's going to look like, and it's basically titled Resize Photo. So I'm going to link it below so you can check it out. And in here, the way that it works is that you import a photo from your gallery. So let's say I'm going to pick the this logo of this channel, click on choose and choose the width and height, right? So this is what I get to select, because by default it was 1000 by 1000, but I can have decided that I want it to be, I don't know, 500 by 500, or let's say I'm going to keep the width at, or let's say I'm going to choose the width to be 500 and the height is going to remain at 1000, right? So we have it cropped it like this. The point is that we have the ability to kind of like switch it and choose it specifically within the numbers like that. You can even switch the values, or let's say that both things are going to be at 500, which is the same aspect ratio, just less pixels. But the point is that once you are done, you can click on the download in the bottom left corner like this, and you get an ad, but you can now leave the app and it's going to be inside of our Photos app. So as you can see, I'm going to swipe up on it. It's 500 by 500 pixels, and that's exactly what we wanted to achieve. So I hope that this was what you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.